Assalamu alaikum students. Right now we are doing reducing second order ordinary differential equation into integral equation. We have d2y by dx square, that is the second order derivative, equals to f of x. We have to convert it into integral equation, so we have to integrate it. So first of all, integrate both sides, apply the integral sign dx. Whenever you integrate it, you add up the constant of integration as well. So second differential is converted into the first derivative. So it's dy by dx. You see that your function is depending on x, so limits of integration is going to be a to x. Use any other variable f of t dt plus the constant of integration, let's specify it as c1. Now again apply the integration on both sides. If we will again apply the integration on both sides, we can write it integral dy by dx, integral a to x f of t dt, integral c1 and the constant of integration. So how we are going to write it? We'll write it integration dy by dx equals to integration on this whole function with respect to x. And when you will integrate this constant c1, you will get c1x, because you know that integration of any constant gives you x here. And due to this new integration, you have to write a new constant c2 as well. Now integral and derivative cancels each other effect and you are just left with y of x. Now integration from a to x, and this integral when applied on this function, you are going to get here a to xi. You can use here any variable. F of t dt. Now you see that you have the inner variable as xi, so write the outermost d as dxi plus c1x plus c2. Now you can note that you are having the second order differential equation ODE, and you got here second order integral. You got two integrals. So you note that number of order of differential equation is same as the number of integrals in the integral equation. Also the same way you can try for the third order ODE, d3y over dx cube equals to f of x into an integral equation. And the answer is this one. You can try doing this using the same method and just check whether you're getting the same answer or not.